So how can you make the alarms not go off on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss these types of tutorials and tips, similar to this. Anyway, you can open up your iPhone, go to the Watch application, which is like the settings or setup app for the Apple Watch. And I want you to go to the clock app. So you can find it right away. You can see it's being part of the main pre-installed apps list. So you go to the clock app, many different things to set up in here, but there is one toggle that we are interested in, and it's called Push Alerts from iPhone. And that is the whole point because, you can see based on even the little description there that whenever you have this toggle green, it just means that your iPhone might set up some kind of alarm or even a timer. And once it goes off, the phone as well as the Apple Watch will ring and vibrate, right? So if you don't want that to be part of the Apple Watch, simply turn it off and make sure that the alerts stay on the iPhone only and then don't get pushed to the Apple Watch. So it's basically just that. There isn't really much else to it outside of just, getting a third-party app, which might have a completely different set of settings. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you in this quick video. Let me know what you think below. In case of any questions, the comment section is for that. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.